Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, it's that time of year again where I'm going to be working on my vision board for 2023. And vision boards, I have done them the old-fashioned way, just images that I choose from different places, whether it's on the internet or in magazines, and gluing it or pasting it onto a poster board that I can see over the course of the year to remind me of my intentions for the year. And you have to set an intention. You can't just hope for the best, or, you know, like I like to say, let chaos take the wheel. You really have to set the intention in your mind of what you want for your life. And my vision board, this vision board is 2 years old at this point. I had done a little bit the first year, and last year I added some more to it. And I have a white kitchen here, which is, if you have been watching my channel, you know that we are in the process of moving to a new townhouse. I have a white kitchen in my new townhouse, and I didn't anticipate that we would be moving when I created this vision board. However, when you look back at some of the things that you put on your vision board, you will start to see that some of those things really did come to fruition. So I've learned a new way to create a vision board online, on the computer, to have it as a screensaver so that I see it all the time. And I really am enjoying how I am creating this vision board now. And you could create more than one vision board for the different areas of your life. So what I have done is I have created a vision board for my ideas for moving into the new house. And I am using Pinterest to get my images and download them to my computer, and then make a vision board using the program that I'm using is called Canva, and it's just so easy. You can actually sign up for free. You don't have to buy anything. And I'm using that. It comes with templates, so I can just upload the photos and input them into this document, and then have the document on my desktop so that I see it. It's a photo. It's a collage photo, but it's actually a vision board template. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, how I get my pictures, how I download them to my computer, and how I input them into this template in Canva. So if you want to see how I do that and create your own vision board, and like I said, you can create multiple vision boards, then just keep on watching.
All right, so I'm over on my Pinterest page, and I'm gonna go to the search bar. And what I'm gonna start with is home decor. So I'm just gonna put that in the search bar for the Pinterest site. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna bring up all these images that are pins that basically people have posted to Pinterest, and some bring you to a website, but most of all they are just images that you can pin to your own Pinterest page. And what I'm doing here is I'm looking for some images that are going to inspire me, like this one. And so when I find an image that I like, I can actually do a few things with it. I can send it to people, but I download it here. If I click on those three little dots, I'll get an option to download. So it downloads to my computer. See, I click here, download image, and it will download it to my computer. So what I'm doing is going through a bunch of images. This, again, home decor images, things that I like this one. I'll download the image to my computer, and I will just keep looking at all of the things that inspire me and things that I want to use on my board, like this one. It doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to do the exact thing in my new home, but it is just ways that will kind of get my own creative juices flowing. And when I get into the space, just, you know, what will inspire me as I get into decorating. This is a a really pretty laundry room. Obviously mine is not going to look like that, but I am going to download it and use it on my vision board, because a vision board is just your inspiration of ideas that you like. So I'm going to go into the closet organization area, and I'm just going to look for images of ways that I would love to see my closet look. And again, just downloading the image, because I want to get a bunch of images downloaded so that when I get to my templates, I can upload these images and then begin to create my vision board. So we'll look at a few more of these closet organizing. I love this. I have wanted a drawer that will organize my jewelry. So now I feel like just getting some outfit ideas. I always have to look at outfits because that's just something I love, and I just love to see these beautiful images so that I can kind of create my own style. So I'm going over to the pins that I have saved, and I have all of these boards, and one of the boards, I have a few outfit boards, but I'm going to go with this one, this perfectly put together, and I'm going to just find a few more pins of clothing and outfits that I like, just to add to my vision board. It's mostly colors, color schemes, like you can see the white and the cheetah print and the camel. These are just my favorite kind of colors when I am thinking about outfits. I also love the army green pants, and I really love the red blazer, and I do have a red blazer like that, so it's just something that catches my eye. And basically what you want to do is find images that you like, and you can save them to your own Pinterest boards. It's so easy to do. Now I want to get a couple more things, and I have a board called Hygge Living, and I'm just going to kind of scroll through here and see if there's anything that catches my eye that I want to put on my vision board. And I like this summer hygge. We're coming into the summer season. This board, this image seems to have a lot of the things that I would like to do, go on picnics, that kind of thing. And then the one last thing I'm going to look at here are small balcony ideas that I've started this board recently. And I like this one because it's all soft pillows and soft lighting. We do have a small balcony. So now I'm over on the Canva website, and I've looked up vision boards. I put that in the search on the Canva site. And these are all templates for vision boards. So I'm just looking through to see which one of these templates gives me the most inspiration. So I found one, and it's this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the vision board. And so I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to upload all the images that I saved from Pinterest that I downloaded to my computer. So I'll just upload these to my Canva sort of desktop here, or dashboard, or whatever you want to call it. So it's uploading all of these Pinterest images. Now all I have to do is click on the little squares, and then I take my image and I drag it into the little square, frame on this vision board, and I will just continue to move these things around, try to get the best look for my vision of what I want on this vision board. So I'll just go ahead and get all my images uploaded into the template. So all these inspirational wording areas here with the words, I'm just going to click on them. I'm going to change them to what I want them to say for my own inspiration for this vision board. You just can double click on them and you can just change them. It's so easy. You just type in the word that you want in exchange for what's there. And that's what's nice about the templates, because it makes it so easy. You can just follow the template and just change it out in any way that you want to. Now what I want to do is change the color of the frame. So I just clicked on the frame and then I clicked on the color icon and then I just changed it to a kind of pretty neutral color. Now if I want to save this, which is what I want to do, I want to download it, but I want to download it as a JPEG. A picture image, and then I just hit download and it is downloading it to my computer. So now I can go and just save this image as a vision board in my images, and then I go to settings for my background and I am saving it as a picture. I had a slideshow before, but since I'm only saving this one picture, I'll go to browse and I will find the image and I will save that as my screensaver. And there it is. It is now my screensaver and I see it whenever I go onto my computer. And I can be inspired on a daily basis.
All right, guys, so that is going to do it for this video. I hope that you've learned something. I hope that you will give it a try and create your vision board or vision boards for 2023 and beyond. Creating a vision board with your intentions and for what you see that you like, and putting the ideas out there is what is going to create your best life. So if you have any questions or you have ideas that you want to share, please leave it in the comment section. I would love to know and I would love to respond. If you liked this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.